Welcome everyone. My name is Melissa Armo and I own a company called the Stock Swoosh. And I day trade the US stock market. I day trade stocks actively and also do options trades with one strategy that I created myself. I've been trading for 8 years and I only do one strategy in the market. I termed my strategy the golden gap. I look at 26 points on a daily chart of a stock. It's based on technical analysis. So I look at a daily chart of each stock that's gapping every morning. And I determine based on the 26 points what direction the stock is going to make on the day, whether the stock's going to rally, that you could go long it, or whether the stock is going to drop and you could short it. And I do prefer to short for the day trades. And I actually prefer to go long for options trades if I'm in the stock overnight for several days or weeks, because right now the overall trend of the market is bullish. So I feel that it's good to be in solid longs or calls and options with the market, with the overall trend of the market. I teach a class. My class is going to be on September 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th. It's going to be a live class where I teach the 26 points and we trade live. I normally do the class on the weekends. This is a special course so that we can rate gaps live in the daily trading room. You could take the trades with me and you would also learn my method. There is a fee to do this class. If you are interested in more information to sign up to register for the course, you can email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Now, how do I do it? I have a worksheet, and on the worksheet, I get up in the morning, I trade right here. I trade at my desk. This is where I work. And I go like I'm going to work every day, just sitting at my desk to trade. I scan in the morning. The nice thing about my strategy on gaps is that it sets up very quickly. So I do my pre-work and I fill out a worksheet where I write everything down and I rate my gaps. I usually do one trade a day. You can make several $1,000s a day in one trade. And then there's some days where no gaps meet my criteria and I don't trade. And then, like I said, I'm also doing options as well. So the nice thing about day trading is you only work for yourself from home for the period of the time that you choose to work. And because gaps set up into the open, when the market opens between 9:30 and 10 o'clock Eastern time, that's the critical time that you can maximize your profitability in the trades. So I'm in and I'm out in that first half an hour. It's rare that I would be in a trade any longer than 30 minutes. Every once in a while I am, but I'm trying to catch that first move of the stock. So for example, if you're thinking about day trading and you want to learn more information, you can reach out and email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. It is not impossible to learn how to day trade or invest or do options trades. It's something that can be done. It's just that many people don't have, number one, a focus or a strategy, and that strategy that they have, if they have one, may not work. I talk to a lot of people and they say, Melissa, I buy support on the 20-period moving average. That isn't a strategy. The method that I designed is actually a strategy. Gaps are a strategy that happen in the market. They happen in everything, ETFs and stocks, but I prefer to trade companies or stocks. And the reason I prefer also to short most of the time is because panic action, when a company is selling off and the price is dropping, comes in really quick. And all you have to do is get the move in the right direction at the right time, and you can make money fast. And if you make money quickly, you can be in and be out, and then you're less at risk as well. So if you, for example, take 5,000 shares of something, say you're taking the trade at $10, say the stock price is worth $10, and the stock is gapping down, I would have rated it pre-market before 9:30 to know the stock was going to drop. If it met my criteria, I would take it on a setup, take the trade, short it at 10. If the stock drops $1 to $9, you have 5,000 shares, you would make $5,000 in one trade. So it's all about the share size and the quantity. So how do you do that? You get really good at one thing, which is exactly what I've done and one of the reasons that I'm successful today. I've been trading for 8 years, my specific method. No one on the planet does what I do. And I invented my strategy myself. 26 points is a lot of things, but it's one of the reasons why I get the gap right and my trades right and my picks right a lot. And so someone asked me the other day in the room, Melissa, how many trades do you take in a month that lose? I would say to give yourself at least 3 losers a month. If you're actively day trading, there's 20 trades, 20 trading days in a month. So I usually do 1 trade a day. I would look to estimate about 3 losers, and the rest of the time should be winners. Some trades go to the bigger target, the dream target. Some trades do not go to the target, and you're just getting it in for a quick move. Could be 20, 25 cents, and you're out. The idea is to make money consistently. I call it chucking it out. And if you're able to do that, the numbers can add up pretty quickly where you can make about 20 grand or more a month. And that's just the day trading. That doesn't even include the options. And I've been doing extremely well with those too. So if you want to do both, I can talk to you more about that as well. Feel free to call me if you have questions, 929-3200-GAP. And you can email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. So if you want to take the live trading class with live trading, you can trade with me, learn my method. There is a fee to do this. If you want more information, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com.